Oh yeah, we about to go ahead and get ready. Where we going? Forget it, man. We going to cycle gear. So we about to go ahead and slide over there and go get this gear for Lil Man, so he can go ahead and ride this dirt bike I used to have. I don't know if you're ready. You scared?
No.
No?
No.
I hope you're ready now. That bike a little big for you. You sure you're gonna be ready?
Yeah.
All right, we gonna see. We gonna see.
Where are we gonna be
Here,
running?
I can't record and drive.
Where are we gonna be running
All in the dirt. Cause it's called a dirt bike, ain't it?
at? Yeah.
Put on my shirt and no cap. Putting the dirt bike in the dirt. That's the only place where you can ride at.
Where's right?
You can't ride on the street. We'll get back whenever we get there.
Welcome back, our Five Adventures. How y'all doing? We are gonna go get some gear for the dirt bike. Stay tuned if you want to see us ride the boat. Go on a picnic.
Play basketball, play football,
Play baseball.
jet ski.
Yep. Guys, welcome back. We are here. Here. Look, we here. We just gonna turn up all day. Y'all, I'm not even kidding. How ugly. I look ugly. I look ugly. I look ugly.
Let me see. So I was at work. I went to eat. This place right here,
Yeah.
best place. Marco's Pizza. Get you some Marco's Pizza because it's the best place to eat pizza. I didn't think it was, but best place to eat pizza.
Okay, my brother's saying Marco's Pizza is the best place to get pizza. I'm gonna have to try it out, cause if it is, that crust better be good too. I eat the crust.
Look real quick. How's that fit? How's your head?
Good.
All right, we just need to do something about that hair. So what size is this? Adult small?
Yep. And
I'm not gonna lie to you, I kind of like this helmet. Huh? I got it.
Okay. So guys, we have everything. We have gloves, helmet. We have gloves, helmet, and a t-shirt. Anyway, we have gloves, knee pads. We have the helmet. Mine's in there too. We have protection right there. Have a shirt. And we have goggles for the helmet. And we have the gear for the helmet. We have gloves right here. And then if you wonder what this is, that is gear like for your body. This for your stomach, your heart, and your this whole arm. But this is gonna be hanging out. And this. So that's why I got gloves for the hand.
Told y'all, stay tuned. What I said earlier. They about to get hit with a little surprise. So if you're ready to see that, stay tuned now. I'm trying to tell you. What is it? Nope, you don't know. It's my own surprise.
Well, Shane said I don't know the surprise either. But I got a challenge for y'all. Can y'all hit the like button and subscribe at the same time? Let's see if you can do it. I'm waiting. I hope y'all subscribe and hit the like button. What else was I gonna say? Oh, I also got a challenge for y'all. So if y'all go in the picture, that picture that shows you all the videos that we made, go in that and see the picture. I'm gonna give you a little hint. Our name and a picture. What's our name? Our 5 Adventures. Come on, guys. Let's see if you can figure it out. Shane, you know it? You know the challenge?
The challenge?
Yeah.
What's the challenge?
The challenge is what's the name? Our name and the picture. Put it together. What is it?
Our 5 Adventures.
No, because there's our...
5.
No, there's 5.
5 of us.
Yes, 5 of us.
Oh, you're saying like, what's the name?
Yeah, what's the name and in the picture? The challenge is if you can guess the picture and the name, like our 5 Adventures, picture 5, and us. 5.
Oh. Okay, I got it now. Yeah, what's the challenge, huh? Figure that out.
Boy, I already know it.
No, I'm talking about this.
Oh. Yeah, guys, figure it out. Figure it out.